In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini on my Android phone. Simply, I'm provide step-by-step full guide. Open your settings. Press on to Google. Press on to all services. Showing you to search assistant and voice. Just open this and showing it to Google Assistant. Make sure to connect your internet. Showing it to Assistant voice and sound. Scroll down and showing it to Digital Assistant from Google. Just select to Gemini. To switch, press on use Gemini, and now successfully set up this.